I think the sky is the limit, and we will cooperate and also make sure that we work together to make sure that we make Nigerians proud. The other issue is that, look, they are holding 7.25% of the shares that we have here, which is more than the shares Elon Musk has in Tesla. So, and they are holding that on behalf of Nigerians. So, but individually, Nigerians too will have an opportunity in the next, I don't know, but I think in the next maybe maximum 4 or 5 months, they will actually be option to buy their shares. And like what I promised before, people will have a choice either to get their dividend in Naira or to get their dividends in dollars, because we earn dollars.
And besides the expansion plan, is there any other significant collaboration